folks, we're back, and we got a rare bird for you here. This is a 2012 Jeep Liberty, and it's an Arctic edition. So very limited availability on this truck, and you can see why. It's stellar. It's a 2-owner unit with over 25 dealer service records, and it's all that, folks. It's extremely clean, never smoked in, no accidents, no paint work. Check it out. Sharp. Got the special edition interior, gauges, factory sunroof, heated seats, navigation. And it's like new. Leather wrapped wheel, steering wheel controls, satellite radio, all-weather package, raised whites on the blacked out wheels, Arctic badges, sharp, real sharp. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this Jeep, folks. This is a $995 starting down. It's a 2012 with a perfect Carfax.
She would never teach you, never see her with a different guy. Ever tell you different, then it's a lie.
Service contracts included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Guaranteed credit approval, perfect Carfax, 4.5 star Google reviews, and the right product. DashCleveland.com.